Sayyid Mohammed Abdullah Hassan, the leader of the Somali dervish movement that has fought Britain, Italy, and Ethiopia for 20 years, is dead. Dolbohanta, the Warsangli, the Mijatain, nor the Ogadi. And I am not of the hypocrites. I am a dervish, hoping for God's mercy and consent and forgiveness and guidance. And I desire that all the country and the Muslims may be victorious by God's grace. This time they were driven out of the Nugal and into British Somaliland to the north, where he then clashed with British forces and their Somali allies, which forced them to retreat to the coastal towns. In 1913, Hassan made his base at TALEEX, where there was a major fort. 440 Indian troops and about 1,000 Egyptian camels. The British launched their offensive on January 21st, 1920. They'd received reports that the mullah was at the fort near Medishe, and that is where the first clashes took place. According to some accounts, the very first bomb dropped by the RAF exploded near Hassan and killed his uncle, which caused him to decide to retreat. The British Camel Corps pursued the dervish forces at a furious pace. Medishe and Jidbali were taken, and the British and their Somali allies stopped to rest at Houdin on February 2nd. During one 72-hour period, they'd advanced 150 miles and captured large amounts of weapons, supplies, and herds of livestock. But they had not caught the mullah.